Sika has been a leader in polyurethane technology for over 100 plus years. One name has played a crucial role in bonding the future together: Sikaflex. Sikaflex features a full line of polyurethane adhesive technology. The versatility of Sikaflex shows in its use in different application areas of a vehicle in the assembly line process, offering superior flexibility, durability, and adhesion in one product. Our knowledge in automotive polyurethane technology has expanded through the years, evolving to meet challenges in construction, transportation, and manufacturing. Sikaflex's versatile formulations cater to complex sealing, bonding, and gap-filling requirements, earning the trust of professionals worldwide. Our workhorse product is used in so many other industries, and has led Sika to what it is today.